So now that we've seen how the machine works, let's get it set up. And if you've already followed the quick start guide, you've installed all the parts, and you've turned your machine on for the first time, then you can skip this section. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we put the roast in the right place. Ideally, you would position it somewhere near a window or near a cooker hood or a vent of some kind, so that you can direct the fumes from roasting straight outside. So choose a position, and then when you put the machine down, make sure that you leave plenty of clear space around it, both to the sides and to the back. It needs free-flowing air around it to really work properly and to keep it cool. So once you've found the right location, first thing to do is to attach the exhaust hose. So with your machine, you've got a hose and a clamp. You can slide the clamp onto the hose and then push the hose and clamp together onto the vent at the back of the roaster. You can tighten that up with a screwdriver and then point the other end of the hose out of the window or towards a vent. If you need a longer hose, you can buy one online. Or another alternative is to use the 90-degree elbow that looks like this. And the idea with this is it just directs the fumes away from the back wall of wherever the roaster is. You can point the fumes out of a window or underneath your cooker hood, something like that. Next thing to do is to put in place the little air filter that lives underneath the cooling tray down there. And then the cooling tray goes on top. Next we have the hopper, and this just slots into the hole on top of the machine. Then we have the trier. This goes into the hole in the middle. And then we have the chaff drawer and the foam block that comes with it. So this lives behind this door on the front of the roaster. Slide the drawer in. And then this foam block, it's not completely rectangular. One side is cut at an angle so that it can only go in one way. So just be careful when you slot that in. Push it home so that it seals up, and then close the door. Next, you can screw on the Wi-Fi antenna. This just screws onto the back, nice and easy. And then the power cable as well. But don't turn the machine on just yet. Before you turn it on, make sure that the handle here is in the upward position so that when you do turn the machine on, it doesn't start heating up straight away. So set your handles up, plug it in, turn it on, and we're ready to get started.